Hey everyone, Scott Grossman, project manager for the projects that we have going on here in Clear Creek Canyon Park, the Gateway segment. We're out at almost the western extent of the project. We're here in the oxbow of Tunnel 1. So this is where the river or the creek bends around the Tunnel 1. Tunnel 1 goes through the rock. We're here at a fun new setup. This is our high line we're using to take equipment from one side of the creek as well as materials to the other side of the creek. As we pan across and look at things, you can see a bunch of wood here. This is the historic wooden flume for the Welch Ditch. So Welch Ditch started in the 1870s. This flume was rebuilt in the late 1920s, early 1930s, and it was taking water to irrigate the fields in the western suburbs of Denver as Denver was growing. We now own this and we're going to turn this into a hiker-only trail. We're going to rebuild it, get it structurally sound. To do so, we need to bring in a lot of materials and equipment, and that's where this comes in. So a bunch of equipment, all custom built for this, really creative solution, but you have a basket and a cable system that allows you to take materials and equipment from one side to the other, enables that construction to actually really work. So we moved down canyon. We're back at our bridge. You guys saw this in the last update when we were setting this at night, but here it is in all of its glory. 163-foot modified bowstring truss. Super cool, really excited about this one. This will be an iconic feature that will last for generations to come. This is one of two bridges that we have on the project. The other one is the suspension bridge right where we just were. That'll be a 4-foot wide suspension bridge, so very similar in design to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, just much smaller. You can see the creek over me, great views up and downstream, really nice spot to check things out. Over this way, you can see what's coming next. This is the future trail connection. So that hillside, I've mentioned before, this is some of the most difficult construction that we have on the project, and that's why. So we're building a bench and coming through that piece right there to build that 10-foot wide trail that's all ADA accessible. So once again, 163-foot bridge, super cool. Come check it out next year. So let's wander up and check out progress on the Tunnel 1 restroom. So we move down to our future Tunnel 1 restroom. It's a vault restroom, very similar to many others that we've built in the canyon. Has a single stall on either side and then a little maintenance room for us to store materials. This is all being built in-house. So this is our talented building and storage sites team doing all the construction, everything from the ground up. So you see a couple of our crew behind us hanging the door. But it's taking shape. We're framed, we've got a roof on. You'll start seeing siding and such coming on. We'll finish this up probably in 4 to 6 weeks. With that, that's all we got. We'll see you next time. Be happy, be healthy, be safe.